wabarakatuh. My name is Gidengga Priyanata Nugraha Putra. My absent number is 10. I'm grade 12 TKRO2. I would like to presentation about my on-the-job training report in PT Sunstar Motor Badung. Introduction. Praise and gratitude I pray to Ida Sang Hyang Widiwasa because thanks to his grace the author was able to complete the fieldwork practice report in PT Sunstar Motor Badung. In the preparation of this report, the author received a lot of input and guidance from various practice. Therefore, the author would like to say many thanks to 1. Iketut Suparso SDMT as Headmaster of Regional High School Number 1 Denpasar. 2. Dr. Andas Iwayan Chandra MPD as Coordinator of On-the-Job Training. 3. Iketut Sudarsono SPD as Head of Skill Competency. 4. Inyoman Sunato as a Supervisor at Industry. 5. Imade Artawan SD as a Supervisor at School. 6. All parties were assigned in the implementation of fieldwork practice. Hopefully, this report can be useful and can provide insight into what to read. I'm sorry if there are word mistakes or shortcomings and advances. I'm very grateful for the suggestion. Finally, I say thank you. Chapter 1. Background. Along with the development of information technology, social and cultural increasingly rapidly in this era of globalization. It is SMK and Sabtu Pasar has an important role in creating graduates with good competence and experience in outer field. After being in class 11, I as a student majoring in TKRO, automotive like vehicle engineering, was eager to take part in the fieldwork practice or PKL program. Students are expected to be able to know more about the work of work, so that when students work later, students already have experience in working because the work of work is very different from what students get in school. The purpose of the report. Improving student competence in reporting. 2. For skill and experience in knowledge. 3. Gaining learning experience in written work. 4. Gaining work experience according to industry standards. 5. Increase work ethic. 1-3. Scope limitation. As from the limitation of the problem that I will discuss in the report. A. Periodic surface 33 kilometer, 33,000 kilometer. Plan and practice the braking system maintenance process. Learn and practice the fueling system maintenance process. In the preparation of this report, the limitation of the problem is given. This report is more focused and easy to understand by the general public. Chapter 2. Theoretical Studies. 2-1. General Review. Sunstar Motor was born from the determination and prestige of Mr. and Mrs. Sudarsono in 1974 in Solo, Central Java. Under the name Bude Motor, the business field present at first was car loss in several cities in Central Java, with passion and hard work. Business development into air car and motorcycle dealer upon stepping into auto business. I yielding honest and work focus is a philosophy of that the couple constantly runs in developing the business and is based down on its children to this day. The results are evident from the development of this company from year to year until now. Sunstar Motor has been trusted by the solely brand holder against or ATPM, who became major players in the automotive business in Indonesia. There are 25 branches in Jakarta, Surabaya, Semarang, Solo, Malang, Denpasar, and other major cities in Indonesia. 2-2 Model construction. The work I will this a periodic service 30,000 km. Periodic service is an activity that is carried out periodically and has been scheduled for a relatively long time. After passing several times to perform routine car service, B. Brake system maintenance. The brake system is very important in its role. C. Conventional charging system. A system that works on the decompression wells that serve to charge the battery voltage when the engine is on, so that the battery voltage remains in full condition, especially when the engine is at the start. 2-3 Section names and function. 1. At the periodic service 30,000 km, there are several replacement, cleaning, and part check. A. Air filter. B. AC filter. C. Clamp. D. Engine oil and ring gasket. A. Oil filter. F. Brake fluid. G. Tire wind pressure and tire condition. H. Cooling system. 2. Brake system components. A. Brake caliper. B. Brake pads. C. The caliper brake cuts. A. Piston seal. F. Piston brake cut. G. Master cylinder. X. Reservoir tank. I. Brake booster. G. Pedal or brake lever. K. Brake hydraulic hose. 3. Conventional filling side system components. A. Battery. B. Rotor coil. C. Stator. D. Rectifier or diode. A. Pulley. F. End frame or housing. G. Regulator. 2-4 How it is worked. 1. Work done on 30,000 km service. At a predicted service of 30,000 km, replacements are carried out. A. Engine oil check. B. Oil filter check. A. Replacement of gasket ring. D. Filter AC. 2. Brake system maintenance work. In the maintenance of the brake system carried out. A. Cleaning on the caliper and brake pads. B. Perform inspection and sanding on the distributor. C. Lubricate caliper pins. D. Routine replacement of brake fluid that have been determined. 2-5 Disorders. Overhauls the is on problem in carrying out in work, but distraction must be there. Disorders that I can it implementing strict figures. A. Adjusting to the class and difference in the world of work takes time to at first. Be a very different way of walking that what has been practiced in school. She adjusts to tools and toolkit that we have to skin and do not you know their useful. The various kinds of mechanisms are used and do not understand no to is useful. 2 blank 6 work safety. A. Always work standard codes of work. B. Always use pen with pockets that are not closed. C. Always wear appropriate safety shoes and take good care of them. D. Don't know wearing watches or other accessories that may harm injure yourself. A. We are had a outer leg protection. Chapter 3 on the job training report. 3-1 inspection. Expansion profit on the alternator component. A. Open circuit inspection on rotor coil. B. Examination of the rotor relationship with massa or rotor grounding. C. Open circuit inspection on stator coil. D. Examination of the relationship of the stator coil with grounding. A. Positive receiver expansion. A. Negative receiver expansion. G. Carbon brass expansion. 3-2 measurements. Measurements of open circuits on rotor coil. B. Measurement of the rotor relative to massa or grounding. C. Measurement of open circuit on the rotor coil. D. Measurements of the relationship of the coil stator with grounding. A. Positive rectifier measurement. F. Negative rectifier measurement. Chapter 4 Conclusions and Suggestion. Conclusion. After I did PKL or field practice at PT Sunstar Motor Badung, I get a lot of experience, knowledge, and everything read to the work of work so that I can add the intrinsic interest. So far, the attitude of mechanics, employers, and staff there is friendly and kind to trade vendors. It makes me feel comfortable and very helpful when I'm doing my job and become more aware of how to do job more intensely and correctly. When on day I enter the work of work will not hesitate to do it because frequently already have experience in working. For then two suggestions are for the advice I have offered and my hopes for PT Sunstar Motor Badung. 1. Maintain the cohesiveness of mechanics, employees, and staff in order to establish a better relationship and no disputes. 2. Mechanical attitude is very good and can provide more knowledge to students who from field work practice. 3. So that the competency can advance in the future, maintaining the regulation that have been applied from the competency. Om Santi 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 Om.